To basketball now, Rick Turner is no stranger to local basketball after decades of running clinics for youngsters in Jamaica. However, the American now has the opportunity to lead the national team and hopefully bring international success along the way.
American Rick Turner has the task of helping change the fortunes of local basketball after being named the national head coach and coordinator recently. Turner has coached at all levels, including working in the NBA, but says taking up the national role at this time was a no-brainer.
Well, Jamaica basketball's on an upswing. The timing is right, I think, for all parties involved. It's something I've wanted to be involved with for a long time. It's something I've dreamed about. Being a part of the team that brings Jamaica basketball to prominence on an international stage.
Hiring an overseas coach is usually costly for any association, but the Jamaica Basketball Association has seemingly found a way to manage Turner's contract.
It's structured in a way that ultimately we expect both parties to benefit. A lot of his remuneration will be based on how he makes the connections and networks for us in the States. I don't want to get into the details of that, but suffice it to say, Rick is relatively comfortable and we are good.
While acknowledging the good talent pool locally, Turner intends to recruit overseas players with Jamaican heritage to improve the team.
I want to reach out and introduce myself to some of those guys. I have plans to go watch some play. And just let them get to know me. I know some of them already, and get their thoughts of how they see themselves being involved in it. Share my vision, our vision of where we see the program going.
Jamaica